How to fix can't turn off airplane mode in Windows. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. So first, go to your search bar and then go to services. Now search for radio management service. Right click on it and then go to its properties. Now in the startup type, make sure it is automatic. If it is something other than automatic, simply drag down the button and then select automatic and then apply it. After that, go to device manager and then go to network adapters. Now simply right click on your Wi-Fi and then go to its properties. Now you will have to troubleshoot your problem if you have any, or you can also uninstall the driver and reinstall it back to fix the problem. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down, and I'll catch you in the next one.